I'm on the Exterity booth here with Jamie Hind, who's the Regional Director for APAC. Hello Jamie, how are you doing?
Good, Richard, how are you?
I'm alright, thanks. So
Good.
you're at Integrate again this year. Tell us why you're here.
Yes. Yeah, back at Integrate with our partner Midwich. Integrate for us is probably our largest show of the year in ANZ. An important show for us because it's really the coming together of vendor partners, system integrators, coming to see us amongst others. I guess recently in ANZ, the adoption of IP as a delivery methodology for both IP video, IPTV and digital signage from Exterity, but also I think we're all seeing the AV market coming into the IT space as well. So I think now more than ever this is a key event for most people because we're seeing that coming together and everybody's sharing information, sharing experiences on what we're seeing here domestically, but also in other places around the world, and we'll see people from the UK, Middle East and Asia coming to the event as well.
You obviously cover the APAC region, Jamie, and you've got offices in Singapore, Hong Kong and elsewhere. The market matures at different rates. Obviously, you've been working with IP for many, many years now. You've seen the future coming, but the adoption hasn't been as quick in some other countries such as Philippines or Cambodia we were talking about earlier, but how's this market? How's Australia? What are the verticals that are moving you here?
Everything is moving at a different pace. If we're talking about Australia, then really you could choose any vertical market. Hospitality, accommodation, corporate, government, defence, all moving into that IP space. And actually as a slightly more mature market here, what we're actually finding now is that people are looking to centralise the Exterity solution. So traditionally you'd have had lots of separate head ends, lots of separate servers to deliver to different offices, and now with infrastructure in place, people are looking to centralise that, efficiencies in terms of cost, resource, training, etc. And that's really where an Exterity type solution that's really from a broadcast, high availability background, we play a really important role in that.